Hello guys.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel.
Please.
To my channel.
Oo, channel na.
Wait lang, may cute baby dito.
Cute ka kan Hansel pa.
Very cute. Baby! Hello!
Hi ikaw, hi.
Hi! Ah!
Sabi mo, hello. Hello. Ito nga. Hello. Hi ikaw, ganun ikaw.
Hello!
Ganun ikaw. Ganun ka nga, Victor mo.
Ang nangyari sa'yo?
Hello. Ma, tumatawag si tatay.
Jack, hi!
Jack. So magpa-play kami ng games kasama itong cute bebe.
Diyos nga. Cute kaya ito ah.
Yun lang naman yung kailangan mahulaan yung sabi, di ba? Yung kunyari, ibig sabihin, I love you.
Okay guys, i-try ko sa inyo. I-guess mo kung anong nisabi ko sa comments. Ang cute ng baby.
Okay, ang isasabi ko ay, I give you 10 seconds.
Pero wag mo nang sabihin.
10,
Akan,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
you can stop the video also.
3,
To
2,
have some more time.
1. Ibig sabihin na, ikaw naman.
Aka naman. Guys, try to know what I'm actually answering. Oh, wrong. This one. This pretty one. Hello? Hello?
Ha?
Zek.
Tara, baby video. Oh, hello, baby, cute baby. Cute baby. Cute baby. Oh. Brother mo, guess nyo ito, guess nyo. Brother ko or brother niya? I give you 5 seconds. 5,
My brother
Four.
or her brother?
3,
Okay, Jade's brother. Her name
Five.
is Jade. But
Nine.
not her real name, her nickname.
my middle name. You forgot it.
Oh yeah, my middle.
This beautiful girl forgot my middle name.
Yes, your middle.
Okay, let's start the game.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's start the game. Okay. Me first. Guess this. Guess mo.
What is your favorite crazy flower?
What is your favorite place?
Guys, sponsored by Crazy Flowers and Patila.
Oh wait, guys, may naisip kami laro. Okay. Mag-choose ikaw, eto, or eto. Choose ikaw dito.
Ako?
Yung i-choose niya, siya mag-choose kung anong cards niya. Paper. Choose niya kung anong mangyayari sa life
Pakita
niya.
mo sa kanya, ganito ko.
Okay, ang mangyayari sa life niya. Ito muna. Pero hindi niya mababasa kasi yung camera. Okay. Okay, mag-choose na ikaw. Ito or ito. So, ang life ni Bea, you will marry Utot. You will marry mo si Utot.
Guys, Utot is actually fart. Fart. See? Look at this. You will marry Utot.
Okay. Ikaw lang may question ka. This or this?
Okay, pakita mo ulit.
This or this? Pili kayo. Left or right? Hey. So, ano ito? You will become poop. Magiging poop ikaw?
Guys, look at this. Look at this.
Hoy, done na. May nagpapakita mo pa yan. This or this? Your wife or husband is Patila.
Guys, search Patila. Sponsored by Patila also. Even though I said that.
Your husband is Patila. Look, your crush and you, Patila and your That's real. That's real. Super duper
Guys,
real.
it's not real.
Ano?
Guys, it's not real yung sabi ko.
Okay, so choose anyone. What? This or this? So this one.
Sponsored by this.
You will become poop again.
Poop.
It means
Poop.
it means poop's love.
Amen. Amen daw. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Ang cute ng kaya ng baby. Look. Come. Dance.
Right.
Ah.
This or this?
Dance. Yay.
No?
Hey, that's...
Okay,
That's
this one is just nito.
No.
You will kiss Patila. Kiss Patila. I-put mo yung lips mo doon para ma-kiss mo si Patila.
Baka natin suotin mo.
Put your lips on it. Ito. You will kiss Yummy Patila.
Guys, look. Do you want to look?
You will kiss Patila. Patila is your boyfriend. Your boyfriend is Patila. Patila loves you.
Patila hates you. Look at this.
This or this? You will become second richest person in the world.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Amazing.
Hey!
Amazing, right? You can stop the video again.
What? No. This or this? Magiging bibing-bing. You will become bibing-bing. Wait, alam niyo si bibing-bing?
No.
Who knows bibing-bing?
Guys, who knows
Ako si
Bibing Bing?
bibing-bing. Ako si bibing-bing.
I will become Bibing Bing.
Pick this or this.
Guys, also choose. Oh my gosh. Ano yan?
You have a wonderful life.
Oh my gosh, nakaupo sa
Look at
akin.
this. Look at this baby.
Nakaupo
Look at
sa
that
akin.
baby.
Bebot, bebot,
This
bebot.
bot baby is cute baby.
Guys, ano mo nakasit na sa akin?
Video tayo ng cute baby. Oh, cute baby. Baby. Hi. Ikaw nga. Hi. Ah. Hi. Kiss mo sila, kiss. Ah. Ulit. Kiss. Kiss mo sila, kiss. Kiss. Kiss them. Yeah.
No daw. No
Kiss.
daw. No.
Hug.
Hug.
Ay, parang ano.
Ganyan ikaw mag-hug. Kiki.
Ang cute naman ng hug ah. Ay, sorry.
Ganun ka mag-hug. Okay, so isa pa.
Guys, hug.
Ano yun? Guys.
Guys, kiss naman.
Hey! No kiss allowed. Hey, may COVID, kaya bawal mag-kiss. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe. Wait, I get something.
tongue, I can use it as my lips. Can you guys do that trick?
Wait
I
guys,
hope you
look at
do.
this guys. Para hindi ito nag-work. This is not work.
Pero maganda. Tingnan natin kung kaya sila, kung makita nila.
Makikita nila.
Wait lang.
Ako na.
Ikaw na yan. No, palapit na.
Wait. Ako na.
Wala.
Ba't ko na?
Wala nang yan na. Oh, ano yan? Galing. Oh my God. Wait, tingnan natin ulit.
Hello? Tingnan mo kasi. Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Pero kayo nakikita ko. Hello. Nakikita ko yung face.
Guys, check kayo, baka masabi ka naman dito.
Check the camera. Oh, little baby, wrong. Dito tayo, little baby, on. Kuzik, dito.
Yay daw, yay!
This little baby loves me.
Ikaw ay nakita ba? Hindi ko alam.
Puti po ito. Oh, sorry, baby.
Zek,
This.
Zek.